Hello everyone, this is Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about the application of circuit theory. These students are from first year, so I am handling the subject for circuit theory. So we came up with the topic of circuit theory and the application. Particularly we are speaking about the applications. So day to day life we are basically depending on the electronic systems, right? Even though without washing machine, now today date we can't study, right? Because the washing is very important. Like that, each and everything is based on electronics. So only we came up with the topic. My students is going to explain one by one what are the applications. The total applications are electrical system, communication system, control system, and then instrumentations, all the things and all. Each and everyone is going to explain the topic.
Good morning to everyone. I am V.Pavithra from SNS Department. I am today going to speak about electronic design. Electronic devices rely on analog and digital circuit. Analog circuits deals with continuous signals, and circuit theory helps to design amplifier, oscillator and filters. Digital circuits uses binary signals and involves on truth tables, timing signals and microcontrollers. For example, using Ohm's law and the Thevenin theorem helps to design an audio amplifier.
I am Nandini from the first year EC department. I am here to talk about the application of circuit analysis in communication system. In modern communications like mobile phones, radio, Wi-Fi, etc. Depending on the transmitting signals over a long distance, in the circuit theory is used to design high frequency circuits, modulators, demodulators, antenna for matching networks. It ensures the minimal analog signals in efficient data transfer. Examples: designing a tuned LC circuits to radio selectors and for specific frequency. Thank you.
So myself SNS Institutions, first year ECE. My topic is control system in circuit theory. Explanation. Control system is used in automation, robotics to maintain the output changes. Circuit theory helps in circuit to adjust the input according to the output changes. Circuit theory is used in sensors, which is converting the signal into a measurable electrical output. For example, a thermostat uses circuit theory to measure the heat system by comparing the actual temperature to set a value. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Vishnu from first year EC department. Application of circuit theory in consumer electronics. Explanation. Everyday gadgets depends on complex electronic circuits. Circuit theory ensures the proper function of devices like smartphone, TV, laptops and music player, etc. It is used in battery charging, display systems and audio amplification. Example: smartphone uses power management circuit to efficiently distribute the battery power among the different components confined.
Measurement and measurement. Explanation. Measurements need a precise circuit behavior to be very accurate. Circuit theory used to design voltmeter, ammeter and oscilloscope. It ensures sensitivity and accuracy by maintaining impedance, gain, noise. For example, a digital multimeters used in circuit theory for converting the current and voltage to a readable value. Thank you.
Applications of circuit theory in automotive and aerospace. Modern vehicles heavily rely on electronic control system. Circuit theory is used in ECU, engine control units, especially depends on sensors, braking system and infotainment. In aerospace, it is used in flight management system, navigation and communication. Example: anti-lock braking system (ABS) depends on sensors and control units, prevent the wheel from locking during braking.
I'd like to conclude the overall application of the circuit theory. First of all, my students said about the electrical system. So the electrical system is nothing but what are the power we are getting to our home, like transmission lines that are now based on the electrical system, right? Because each and every lines is an electrical system. For example, we can say it is a transistor, that is a switch. On-off process, that is also a electrical system, right? And then we speak about the analog devices, right? The analog devices, example we can say mic. What is the thing is a mic, if you speak, there is an amplifier. So what happened is the sound is amplified and we can reach it in a higher manner, right? So that is based on the application of the analog devices. And then she spoke about the instrumentation. We want to get the precise value we need for the instrumentation, and the robotics and all. Nowadays the robotics are very important in all the aspects. Even the degrees are based on the robotics. So the robotics are based on the electrical system. Basically, we want to know about the Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, and Thevenin theorem, this and all, right? That is an automatic system. Then she speak about the communication. The communication is nothing but the transmitter receiver. Right, if you want to speak about, there is a two type of communication. One is a network communication, another one is a normal, whatever we are transferring through the signal is another communication. We are speaking about the another communication through the antenna. Without the antenna, we can't broadcast anything, right? If we want to gather the news from abroad, means we are getting the information from the satellite, right? So that is one of the communication. That is a basically electronics communication, right? And then she speak about the consumer electronics. Day-to-day life, we are hearing about the radio, TV, that are based on the consumer electronics. So that is also very important. So that's why we have taken this topic and we have elaborated this each and every topic. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.
Hi, first year ECE from SNS Engineering. I am to speak about electrical power system. Circuit is essentially the generation, transmission, and distribution of electrical energy. It helps engineers to design substation power lines to ensure electricity reaches homes and the industry efficiently. Perform load flow analysis to determine how the current and voltage are distributed across the system. Analyze faults such as short circuit or overloads to design perfect design productive designs like circuit breakers or relays. Example, calculates how much current flows through the each branch of our city's power grid